Kaya ka nag-i-improve, kaya ka nagde-develop, at kaya mo ginogrow ang iyong sarili so that you can become a parent to your children na sana ito yung na-experience mo when you were younger. Day in the life vlog with Migs Flores. Alam mo, maiba naman tayo, di ba? For the longest time, or every time that you're reading or maybe watching my post, lagi na lang tayo, informational or educational contents. Pero ngayon, baguhin naman natin kasi nga, para din makita nyo kung ano yung mga ginagawa natin with our family. Nandito tayo ngayon in Taiwan Zoo or Taipei Zoo. I don't know what it's called. Binibisita natin, hindi pala binibisita, dinadala natin ang ating napakamamahal na daughter dito sa Taiwan or Taipei Zoo. And grabe, iba yung realization ko while doing it kasi yung mga kasama ko started to tell me something very interesting, no? Ang sabi niya, grabe, no? Yung anak mo na 4 months old, my daughter is 4 months old. Sabi niya, grabe, no? Ang pinakaunang zoo niya na experience is out of the country. Diba? Hindi man lang sa Manila Zoo or sa Malabon Zoo. May Malabon Zoo pa ba? Noong panahon ko meron pero ngayon hindi ko alam. Pero sabi nga it's not in Malabon or Manila Zoo. It's already in Taiwan or Taipei as a 4-month-old baby. Hindi niya man to maalala in the future. Maybe pag napanood niya tong vlog nito, maalala niya na. And nakakatuwa lang. Kasi sabi ko, oo nga, no? When I was growing up, hindi naman tayo nabigyan ng privilege to actually get into this kind of experience as well. Personally, hindi nga ako nagpupunta sa mga zoo noon, especially abroad. Hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng abroad experience when I was really younger. And isn't that the point of parenthood? Isn't that the point of personal growth? Isn't that the point of professional growth? Na yung kaya ka nag-i-improve, kaya ka nagde-develop, at kaya mo ginogrow ang iyong sarili so that you can become a parent to your children na sana ito yung na-experience mo when you were younger. Not to blame my parents, don't get me wrong. They did the best way they knew how. Pero yung mga sana na experience ko nung ako'y bata pa, maybe yan ngayon yung matatamasa at may experience ng aking daughter. Okay? And isn't that the point why we're growing so much? Isn't that the point why you want to develop you? Na your family or the family that will come from you will now have a better life, will now have a better experience because you made your life work. So, konting day in a life lang. If you want more contents like this, let me know. Put it in the comment section. Para hindi tayo laging informational or educational content. Let me know kung this is something that you want also. Kwentuhan lang ba na merong realization?